Hi guys. Today's tip is about using your resources. Um, if you have Canva Pro, hopefully you have a brand kit. If you don't, that's perfectly fine. Just keep your colors in a folder or something like that. However, with your brand kits, when you create things like mock-ups or spreadsheets or other materials that go with your colors, it's always a good idea to have a range of colors from light to dark. And I have taught this a couple times. Um, but always make sure you put these colors in your brand as well, like the light from the dark for each color. And then that way you have them in your brand kit. Okay. I'm going to show you how to use this. The app is called Shade, and all you need to do is just put in the let's see here, the hex code. Okay. And it gives you from light to dark. So I'm going to add this to the design. So I'm just going to bring it over here. And then I have the colors that I can work with. And all I need to do is just add that. So this I would add, I'm going to go up here to File, and I'm going to go Save to Folder. And I'm going to save this to, let's see here. This is a client, so we're just going to put that right there. That works. Okay. And then if I wanted to, we'll go to the brand, see all, those are all the colors. If I add in these colors to the brand kit, they will show up right here. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to download this real quick. There we go. And then it will come up for me. Okay. So I'm going to go to Home. Home. I want to show you where you can do it. I don't know if I'm able to do it in this one. But we will see. I will flip over to mine to show you. All right. So brand. Yeah, I'm not able to add the colors here, which is perfectly fine. That's this is a team thing, so the admin has that. So that is perfectly fine. I don't let anyone add colors to mine either. Okay, here we go. So in my brand, I have my main colors, and then I have some pinks. I do still need, I did add the yellows, and then I also add in some gradients. So then let's go back home. Okay, so these are some mock-ups that I was working on. So I'm just going to press on this brand right here. this little button. So at the end of the day, my machine is going, okay, so here we go. So see all. So basically, if I wanted to do that, I could just shuffle these colors in and see what's popping. Okay. Um, and then I can apply it to all pages. So that is an easy way to have a little bit more color in your brand kit. Okay. Use the shade app. All right. Thank you.